Here we have a project, an installation where a customer has selected this Kane print carpet, this pattern and this color here, and we're going to make a custom area rug, and we're going to install it on steps and a top hall. So this is the area rug, cut to size, and it's like a 13 by 8 foot, and we have to bind it all. And then the installer is cutting up, pre-cutting what we need for the steps and the top hole, getting all cut up, and then go to the job and do the final installation. Here's the job underway. Here's the area rug that's going to go in this area here. We got cuts for the platforms. The steps are getting started. We're going to continue all the way up and upstairs, and there's a upstairs hallway that gets done, so the job is well underway. And here we have the final installation with the patterned carpet on the front steps, a couple of angled steps going up to the top platform, which is all matching, and there's a matching area rug installed down on the first floor. This is the top hallway, and we continued with the matching the pattern design as it goes down the steps. So this is a complete project. If you want to see more videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery where you could see more installations of all different types of carpet and vinyl and wood and so on. And go to our YouTube website, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.